Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 CLA 250 4MATIC. This one's gray. Underneath it's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo, pushing out 208 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. For wheels we got 17-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Crystal gray MB Tex interior. Come around back. CLA 250 4MATIC badging. Clean set of floor mats. Come alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, power windows. Hopping in, we've got your steering wheel controls. Also included is smartphone integration, which is going to give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Push start ignition, a black matte ash wood trim, media display, rear view backup camera, hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders. This CLA has 19,421 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the CLA 250, check out feldmannimports.com.